Hello and welcome to this online masterclass. My name is Dominik Wagner and now I'm going to talk about Bottesini's second concerto in B minor. So just in this first part, we've already got a lot of stuff going on. We start with the first E, and I think it's very important here to take your time and make a nice vibrato. I don't want to hear like, that's so dead. It should immediately be very vocal, very much like singing. So, and now we got this tricky change to the thumb position. I think what makes this way easier is if you go already for the F sharp into thumb position, because if you change here, it's kind of stressful, because after the E, you can let it sound a bit in the hall and take your time to get already in the right position. And then we make a crescendo towards this B, and we try, even though it's not so long, try to make a nice vibrato. So it would look like this. And then we relax during this E, no, but, and we go, and here no, but, very short, and go towards the G. And then we relax again, so. Now, all of a sudden, very strong. And now, totally different character. So I think it's important to here make the rhythm very clear, and again very strong sound. And now, not, but a bit more gentle, and also in the dynamic less. And now build up. To here. And then relaxation again. So it's just a few bars, but so much is happening. I will play it once again slow, so you can see all the stuff that's happening here. Now we got the same thing again. Vibrato. We go again towards the G. Then we relax again. And now we have a huge build up. Many people now play or play. But I think the lower G is definitely an upbeat to the upper G, and they should definitely be connected. And open string, it's not so beautiful. So, and build up, continue until the A. So many people play, and then they play the rest of the line just straight. There's no direction, nothing. I think that's boring. We always want to have either a direction towards some note or back from some note. So I want to make a huge build up, starting until here, and then you can relax. And again, not always those notes short. Now we go to the side theme. Very different character. The beginning is very passionate, very strong, and then we all of a sudden go completely different, way more gentle. I think the phrase is clear. First, you need to make sure that this note gets the right color. A nice vibrato. First, concentrate on this. Many people play like this. No vibrato because they are concentrating on the C with the thumb, but then the note is dead. And no note should be dead in this whole piece. So, and then crescendo towards the E until here. Then you go back and start again. And make a big crescendo. Here I think two bowings are possible. Either you go or you go with a bow change. It depends on what you're playing with. I think with piano it's enough to go on one bow to make the crescendo clear. But with orchestra it's pretty good to have two. And then suddenly everything's like the sun is shining, everything is good. And again, not the first two notes very short. And we go back. Completely different mood from, and then we got to build up. So 1, 2. So make sure that you have a huge build up there. Starts really soft. A bit more. And more. And then maximum. I think here also a few fingerings are possible. Either you go or if you're daring, I think it sounds nice, but it's very risky for concerts. So I would prefer